Come on, stop that blame. I'm not just talking about you stopping to blame other people, but I mean, stop blaming yourself. Blaming oneself does not solve any problem. The worst prison into which one can ever be is the prison of self blame. If life doesn't turn out to be the way you want it, come on, do not blame yourself. Some situations just need a little turnaround. You can re strategize and move on. Some just require a little persistence and a smile added to it. Most importantly, do not blame yourself. Improve on yourself. Work on yourself. Be the person you want to be. Life doesn't turn out to be the way you want it. Do not blame yourself. Re strategize and move on. Peace be with your soul.